Hi everyone, Ron here, Traders Academy, and I wanted to shoot a special video for this mini course, which is on the self-adjusting iron butterfly. Now this is a trade we developed here at Traders Academy. It can be traded in any market, requires no technical analysis, and only about 2 to 3 minutes a night after the market closes for daily maintenance. Now we're going to trade this live in our account, and these trades, it's hard to say how long they take to complete, anywhere from a week to 14 days. So we're going to trade this on a daily basis. We're going to do a new video each day as we come in and check the trade and do any maintenance we have to do. And the point that I want to stress is that even though these iterations, each day's video, may seem repetitive, it's important that you watch each of those so that you can understand what we do on a daily basis to keep this trade working properly. And I think once you watch this thing and you see how it performs from beginning to end, you will see that I think you'll be surprised at the kind of returns you can get on a weekly basis with this fun little trade. So I just want to say, keep watching, watch each video as they come out, watch it to the end, and I think very possibly you will fall in love with this trade as we have. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Welcome to day 4 of our self-adjusting iron butterfly mini course, and we're in our account right now, and as you can see we have no working orders, so apparently all of the butterflies have filled. Check now, we have quantity of 4 on the put side, 5 on the call side. So now let's go to our trade tab, SPX. This is our week that we're in, January 3rd week. And as you see, we have both positions, no orders waiting. So the first one let's do is the put side. Right click on the long leg, buy, unbalanced butterfly. And currently we have, I believe, how many did we have? Currently on the put side we have 4. So I want to say 4 and 5. And with the 60-cent debit being that close, I'm going to push this up and go from 4 to 6. There we go. Make that minus $1. Now the reason being is right now the VIX is so low that option premium is also consequently low. So instead of upping it by 1 today, I'm upping it by 2 just to get enough credit to get the dollar that I'm after. Firm and send, and that filled. Now let's put one on the call side. Right click, buy unbalanced butterfly, and I believe on that one we had call side we have 5. So on this one, let's just go 5 to 6, because that one's not going to fill anyway because we're too far away. Ask for our dollar. Good till cancel. So now we got it sitting there just in case the market does turn around. And that is it for today. So currently we have 6 contracts on our put side. We're sitting right at the money, so if this market does turn around and start to recover a bit, we'll be good. Otherwise, that's it for today. Since we already made one trade here, I don't want to put another one in. So normally I would come back after market hours and put the next butterfly in, but since we're doing this all within the video, I'll just do it tomorrow, or actually tomorrow's a holiday. I'll do it Thursday when we come back. So that's it for day 4, and be back for day 5.